Very good, my friends. In today's video I'm going to show you how I build the chimney for the barbecue. Do you want to do it by yourself? A big project, a challenging that you can show to your friends when came to your house? Then this is the project for you. You will need to develop some skills that maybe you don't have, but it's quite easy. I had very few experience welding and I was able to do it. Just need time. More or less it took me like 4 or 5 days to complete it, working all day. This chimney is made out of titanium and steel. Okay, let's take a look to the materials we need and the budget to build this chimney. Here is the list of materials you will need. I already had the titanium plates. I don't know how difficult it is to get them, but you can find more easily maybe a stainless steel plate. It's going to be the most expensive part. I don't recommend you to use aluminum because this is going to get quite hot. Okay, first we are going to see the design. I will put in the description the measures. This is well balanced. The first thing you have to do is to measure the hole of the barbecue, and we are going to leave like 2 or 3 centimeters in each side. Measures are in centimeters. The chimney is 1.5 meters tall. Here I'm measuring and marking the steel platens for the chimney basement to make the cuts. A tool that we are going to use a lot is the circular saw. We are going to spend a lot of this. So make sure you buy like 10 or 20. It's important to round the borders to avoid to cut yourself. Here I'm placing the platters in position in 90 degrees to weld. I leave a small gap between the platters to make the soldering. Remember, safety is #1 priority! Yeah, I'm using plastic clamps. I don't recommend this, it's better to get a steel one that I didn't have. Okay, here I have the basement for the chimney and the basement for the top of the chimney. Okay, we have finished the skeleton for the barbecue basement. Now we are going to paint the skeleton with anti-heat paint. This way we will prevent the oxidation of the steel. For that I'm going to use the oil compressor pistol, but you can do it also with the brush. With this paint you only need one layer. And it's ready for the fire in 24 hours. Here even more important to sand the borders. I'm going to use stainless steel rivets because of the same reason, because standard rivets are made of aluminum and they could be damaged because of the high temperatures. That's why I'm going to use this kind of rivet that are tougher also, and you will need more energy to put them in position. That's why I end up buying a new rivet gun that you can see more later. Okay, you see here that I'm using a different machine, and this is because the previous one broken and was very tough to put this. Now it's much easier because I have more power. So if you want to see a video about this machine and why you should get one of these instead of the cheapest ones, take a look to the car I have here. Okay, here we have number 8. They expand when are in position. I put one rivet every 10 centimeters. I put one screw every 20 centimeters. Now the barbecue is installed and we need to wait for the high temperature silicone to be ready for the fire. After 24 hours we can start and test the barbecue. That is what I'm going to do. Time to see how the barbecue performed. Here we have the chimney ready. Let's get started. Let's burn some wood. Today I'm going to eat some burgers. Night burger. That's good. You can take a look to my last invention. This one in the car. Here. Okay, looks like at the beginning there is a lot of smoke and not all the smoke is going through the chimney, but a lot of the smoke is going through the chimney. As you can see, it's working very good. I'm very happy. There is a lot of smoke because the wood is a bit wet because it has been raining a little bit, but I expect that when there is more fire I'm not going to get that much smoke and all the smoke will go through the chimney. Good, this is going very fast. I'm going to get more wood. Now looking good, all the smoke going up. No much smoke going out from here. Okay. We are ready here to prepare the barbecue with the hamburgers. This is going to be delicious. Oh yes, this is the proper way to do with a new chimney in the barbecue. It's the best way to start. Okay, I'm very hungry, this looks terrible. I hope this video has been useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this one to make more awesome things for your home. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.